This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for February 26, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 2.6 points or 0.63% to 413.63. Total trade volume was up with 82,460 shares changing hands at a total value of 474.9 million real or close to $118,800. On the main board, 4 stocks were up. Leading the market was Akleda Bank, up 1.66% or 120 real to 7,340 real per share, followed by Pestec Cambodia, which was up 1.21% or 30 real to 2,510 real per share. The other 2 stocks up were Cam GSM and MJQ Education, which both rose by 10 real each. On the downside, 4 stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was Grand Twins International, down 1.31% or 80 real to 6,020 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, which dropped 0.54% or 80 real to 14,800 real per share. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ and the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority were also down, while Sihanoukville Autonomous Port was the only stock to remain flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land was up 0.33% or 10 real to 3,060 real per share, while DBD Engineering remained flat. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 41,407 shares changing hands at a total value of 301 million real or over $75,000, about 50% of Wednesday trade volume. MJQ Education recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 12,788 shares changing hands at a total value of 26.8 million real or close to $7,000, approximately 16% of February 26 trade volume. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened to 4,010 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 106.43. Looking at global commodities, oil prices held around 2-month lows on Wednesday as a potential peace deal between Russia and Ukraine continued to weigh on prices, while lower US crude stockpiles provided some support. Brent crude rose 16 cents or 0.2% to $73.18 a barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude oil futures were up 20 cents or 0.3% at $69.13. Gold prices held steady following a 2% decline in the previous session, while attention was on U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff plans, which has raised concerns about a trade war. Spot gold was little changed at $2,916.63 an ounce after hitting an over 1-week low on Tuesday. Trump's trade policies, seen as inflationary and with potential to spark tiffs with trade partners, saw safe haven gold hitting a record high of $2,956.15 on Monday. U.S. gold futures rose 0.5% to $2,932.50. Stock futures rose early Wednesday following a 4th straight day of losses for the S&P 500. Investors are also awaiting earnings from market bellwether Nvidia. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 54 points or 0.12%, Nasdaq 100 futures added 0.68%, while S&P 500 futures climbed 0.38%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for February 26th.